Moneywiz promises device syncing, automatic bank import, budgeting tools, and investment tracking, all in a sleek app-wide experience. But is it a must-have or just another expensive money app? Let's break it down. Moneywiz supports automatic bank sync across over 40,000 banks in 55-plus countries, plus manual transaction entry and imports via OFX, QIF, CSV, or MT940. It works on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows, and Android, and data syncs instantly via its SyncBits cloud service. Users praise the clean, intuitive interface and powerful budgeting and reporting tools, with over 400 features, colorful charts, and detailed graphs. It tracks everything from bills and subscriptions to crypto, investments, and loans. However, beginners can feel overwhelmed. Too many features at once and budgeting requires setup. There are limitations such as no 401k support, occasional sync bugs, and no web client. Moneywiz is a powerful, beautifully designed finance app, best for users who want synced multi-device tracking and deep reporting. Just be ready for a learning curve, occasional sync issues, and a yearly subscription. Start with a standard plan, test it out, and upgrade only if you need premium bank linking. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.